Hyprland is a dynamic tiling window manager and compositing manager for Wayland. I've never tried it before, but from what I've seen from it, it can move windows around and stuff in a cool way, and it basically helps your workflow. Also, why am I not using dark mode? Alright, let's download it then. Hyprland for Arch Linux KDE. Okay, this is just a different type of wiki. Why? I don't know. Install the Hyprland package. Oh, so I can just do on here. Sudo pacman-s Hyprland. Oh. Okay, I typed in my password, so it should be downloading. Oh, yes, proceed with the installation. I love how it shows the progress bar with like the hashtags and stuff, and it updates. It's so cool. Okay, it's already done. That took like 10 seconds. Okay, so do I open it? Run Hyprland. Do I need to do it from KRunner? Run Hyprland. Oh. Okay, something's happening. What is this? What? Start without start Hyprland? This is highly not recommended unless you're in a debugging environment. Okay, close this. It said use start Hyprland, right? Oh, you're using an auto-generated config. Add the config to get rid of this message. Super. Let me try that one more time. Start Hyprland. Okay, auto-generated config. Edit the config. Okay, so I need to get Kitty, I guess. Alright, let's get Kitty. Sudo pacman-s Kitty. I think Kitty is another, like, terminal emulator. Like, console here. So, Kitty. Yes. Okay, here we go. So, I need to use this to launch it. Start Hyprland. So, using oh, bro. Super Q. That just opened activities or something. Okay, so what if I run Hyprland through here and then I open Kitty? Okay, super Q. Super Q. Super Q. Oh my goodness. In the config. Oh, okay, I can choose a different one. In default applications? Oh wait, no, I don't think that's what it's talking about. Yeah, no. So go to files. Is it gonna be here? I don't see Hyprland anywhere in my homepage. So how do I edit it? Upstream wiki? What is this? There was no official Hyprland support for NVIDIA hardware. Oh, well, I'm using NVIDIA hardware. If you look here, does it not show your GPU specs on here? Oh, right here. GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. Yeah, so I do have NVIDIA GPU, and my fans started spinning like crazy for some reason. For those on the NVIDIA 50XX series of graphics card 5090, 5080 ETC or newer, the open source kernel modules are required when using the proprietary NVIDIA drivers. So where do I get the open source kernel modules? Hyprland open source kernel modules. Okay, so we support regarding, okay, let me check this. Hyprland support this. Alright, let's check YouTube then. Arch Linux NVIDIA drivers, easy. That's not what I want. Install Hyprland Arch Linux on a laptop with NVIDIA RTX GPU. Yes, I'm not on a laptop, I'm on a desktop, but I'm assuming this should work. Yes, 2 times speed. Whoa, what is he doing? Okay, so he's in the thing. Yeah, I don't know about this. Everything you need to know about Hyprland on NVIDIA. Yes, right here. Okay, so everybody's like saying it doesn't work, so I'm not gonna use this tutorial. I just search it up, not on YouTube. Yeah, I'll just use this then. Hyprland is not meant to be a full and user-friendly desktop environment. It's a set of tools to allow you to create your desktop environment. Oh, but I thought it was a tiling manager? Okay, so here what I didn't realize was that it was not an actual app, but instead it was like a desktop environment that you use to make other desktop environments, I guess. I just didn't process it while I was reading it for some reason. We officially run test Hyprland on Arch and Nix OS, and we guarantee Hyprland will work there. For any other distro not based on Arch/Nix, you may have varying amounts of success. Okay, well, I use Arch. Installed tagged release from the Arch packages. I did this already. EA-S. hyperland-get. Okay, -s hyperland-get. Alright, so it's doing all of this. Aquamarine skipped, hyperutils skipped. Does that mean I already have them? Hyperland skipped. Okay, I'm assuming that's because I already downloaded Hyperland with sudo pacman hyperland, so remove make dependencies after install. So I'm pretty sure make dependencies are things that it needs to install to actually install the app, but they're completely useless after you install it. So if I say yes, it's gonna uninstall them since I don't need them, so I will say yes. Import. PGP keys need importing. Okay, yeah, sure. I don't know. This is scary. Yes, proceed with installation. Okay, proceed with installation again. Is it gonna ask me a third time? Wait, you know what? Control C. Let me stop all this and search up like an actual way install from AUR, which compiles the latest source. Alternatively, install the Hyperland meta package to automatically fetch and compile the latest Git versions of all components within the Hyper ecosystem. Okay, yeah, let's try this one. See what this does. Is it just gonna go ahead and do like the same thing that I just did? Okay, let's stop that and find a different place for this. Configuration. Configuration is done through a single Lua file, typically located here. So it's going to be here .config, yes. Hyperland.lua. If file does not exist, okay, it does exist. You can also split your configuration into multiple files and load them using the Lua require function. Okay, so what do I do with this? Okay, so can I open this up in my notepad? Yes, I can. Terminal console. Okay, I think that's all I had to do. Now, let's go here and run Hyperland one more time. Oh, yeah, right. I need to do this. Start Hyperland. It's not one. Okay, so something different happened this time. Errors from xkbcom are not fatal to the X server. Okay, stop that then. Alright, let's look at the master tutorial. If you're going to Hyperland for the first time, this is the main tutorial to read. I thought I saw this earlier. Still Kitty, default terminal launcher. Okay, so I did that. As you can see here, I have Kitty, but I think I might have to set that as the default application for terminal. Kitty or launcher or Kitty? I think just Kitty. NVIDIA, if you're not using NVIDIA card, okay, I am using an NVIDIA card. Please take a look at the NVIDIA page before launching. It is NVIDIA regarding the needed environments and tweaks. Don't tell me this is the place I was just looking at. Okay, then how about I just use AI? Alright, it's doing some stuff. Oh, okay, it did something. Okay, so now that I did that, apparently I can just type Hyperland. Okay, it said this again. Okay, Hyperland. Okay, super Q. Okay, I think I just have to go here and get rid of this shortcut. So, okay, so let me try to launch Hyperland through here, and then I'll use Super Q to launch Kitty. Is it Control Q? Is it Alt Q? Is it Shift Q? It says if it doesn't launch, make sure it's installed or choose a different terminal in the config. Super M. Okay, maybe I need to go back and undo the change that I did with this, because I changed it to console. Let me change it back to Kitty, and let's see if that works now. Go back here, clear Hyperland. It didn't do anything. Hello? Hyperland. Oh, okay. Now, Super Q. It did not do anything. My PC fans are spinning like crazy. Let's try to do it with Start Hyperland. Super Q. Okay, nothing happened.